8 leading energy technology trends to watch in 2026. Energy was once a very conservative industry. It was even difficult to imagine that it would change significantly even when everything around it was changing. But today it is a battlefield for technologies that have been introduced more and more often in the past few years. And the question arises, why did they start doing this only now? Climate pressure, digitalization, global crisis, and geopolitics are literally forcing companies to rebuild their energy systems from scratch to meet all the regulations, customer requirements, and keep up with digitalization trends. On one hand, companies see that the climate is changing faster than even pessimists expected. Governments are introducing new rules. Investors demand ESG reporting. Consumers instantly cancel brands that ignore energy efficiency. In this context, even a small amount of innovation in the industry no longer seems unnecessary, and the sector's conservatism can finally be shifted. Tesla faces criticism for the high carbon footprint of its supply chain, Starbucks for using disposable cups, and fast fashion manufacturers get millions of negative mentions due to the energy inefficiency of their factories. The trend is clear: today you can't be out of the game. If a company doesn't optimize energy consumption, implement smart systems, or move toward net zero, it risks losing not just money, but trust. Here are 8 tech IT solutions that will transform energy in the near future and determine who becomes a leader in 2026. 8 Energy Trends in 2026. Trend 1: AI and ML. In 2025, AI has touched pretty much everyone except the very lazy. AI has turned the world upside down, and energy is no exception. Machine learning allows for predicting consumption, preventing peak loads, and most importantly, automatically balancing networks without human intervention. AI algorithms are already analyzing terabits of data from thousands of sensors simultaneously, predicting failures, and providing real-time optimization scenarios. For example, National Grid in the UK uses AI to forecast demand, reducing excess load by 15 to 20%. And Norwegian hydropower plants use machine learning to adapt generation to weather conditions and energy demand without human involvement. In the future, AI will become the main brain of energy systems, providing smart grid autonomy, from managing microgrids to dynamic pricing. Trend 2: Digital transformation. One of the clearer shifts for 2026 is that OT and IT are finally starting to work together for real. A few years ago, most energy companies still relied on old SCADA systems that felt almost sealed off from everything else. IT teams had their tools, operations had theirs. But they couldn't keep going like that. Today, companies are investing in architecture modernization, implementing cloud solutions, IoT sensors, and real-time analytics. Theoretically, the data can be collected, but technically, integrating it into outdated systems was impossible, and that is now changing. These energy industry IT solutions help companies unite physical infrastructure and digital analytics. The involvement of DXC Technology and other similar agencies allows energy companies to modernize systems by integrating IoT, artificial intelligence, and edge technologies to improve grid efficiency and resilience. That is why we are seeing a global modernization. Trend 3: Smart grids and cyber-physical energy systems. When the grid, generators, sensors and users are integrated into a single digital ecosystem, it is called smart grids. Each component can be monitored individually, and energy can be redistributed from any source, among many other capabilities. Such networks autonomously determine where there is a surplus of energy and where there is a deficit, and independently and quickly redistribute flows even without human intervention. While supervision is still required, the overall operation of the energy system has become much more efficient. This significantly improves grid stability, reduces losses, and integrates renewables without disruptions. At the same time, the smarter grids become, the more vulnerable they become to cyber threats. The research, engineering, and validating cyber-physical energy systems shows that security in smart systems is now critically important. Any failure can knock out entire regions. So, a modern energy system isn't just about wires, it's about code, analytics, scenario testing, and multi-layered protection against attacks. Trend 4. Energy saving and optimization. Global modernization and energy saving is taking place at the level of devices and systems as a whole. Thanks to edge computing, processing data closer to its source, companies can instantly optimize energy consumption. This avoids delays, reduces data center load, and responds faster to real-time changes. For example, large manufacturing plants are already installing smart controllers that automatically regulate motors or cooling systems, saving up to 25% of electricity. Digital twins of systems are even appearing in energy, simulating the operation of power plants or substations, allowing scenario testing without the risk of production downtime. It's a new philosophy, optimization not through reduction, but through intelligence. Trend 5. Energy storage, the key to stability. Classic lithium-ion batteries are gradually giving way to solid-state batteries, which are safer, more compact, and last longer. In parallel, flow batteries are developing, capable of scaling for industrial facilities and providing hours of autonomous operation. And on the horizon, a new trend has already emerged: quantum batteries. It's a concept that uses quantum effects for instant charging. It's still a scientific experiment, but the potential is colossal, from powering autonomous sensors to spacecraft energy. For the energy of the future, storage will become the buffer between demand and generation, ensuring continuity even with unstable sources. Trend 6. Flexible generation and renewable integration. Renewable energy sources are becoming the basis of energy systems, and it remains only to overcome the instability of solar and wind installations. Flexible generation will take center stage in 2025 to 2026. This is an approach in which the power system is able to quickly switch between different sources, balance the load, and operate with minimal losses. Thin-film solar panels are rapidly gaining popularity. They can be integrated on roofs, facades, in transport, even in textiles. Another direction that is moving forward is the use of intelligent platforms that manage microgrids. These systems test how to fine-tune the balance between solar, wind, and conventional generation. Early results from pilot projects show that more accurate balancing can noticeably reduce operational costs. Trend 7. Hydrogen economy. Now a few words about hydrogen. Green hydrogen, produced from renewable sources, has become a universal energy carrier. It can be stored, transported, converted into fuel or electricity, and used for almost anything. Technologies like Power-to-X are also gaining traction. By converting surplus electricity into hydrogen, methanol, ammonia, and other carriers, they give heavy industries from metallurgy to chemicals a realistic path toward deep decarbonization. In 2026, it's expected that over 30 countries worldwide will have national hydrogen energy strategies. But the main intrigue is who can be the first to scale green hydrogen production without losing profitability. Trend 8. Climate tech and carbon management. The world isn't just talking about reducing CO anymore, it's creating technologies for capturing, storing, and selling it. Carbon capture and storage (CCS) systems, Sensor monitoring platforms and blockchain services for carbon credits are forming a new market. Companies can not only reduce their climate impact but also monetize clean actions. For energy giants, this means new profit models. And for startups, it's a chance to create an energy Shopify where environmental data becomes a commodity.